Whoo, doggy, it's time to make a mess. We're fixing to glue this front on and then route out all the holes. Yeehaw!
This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
It's the only time I've ever done this. I've never used a piece of 1/4 inch on the front of all my cabinets. I mean, it's always been oak, ash, alder, poplar, pine. I've just never used 1/4 inch. It's just kind of really weirded me out, but it's gonna make it strong. That's what makes every one of these joints nice and strong with each other, since it's just pine. It's also going to give it a nice smooth continuous surface all the way around. Who knows? I don't know. I kind of like the way it looks, but I'm not going to stain it. We're going to paint these suckers almost black. All right, here we go. All right, well, let's just we'll see what happens. Yeah, screw it. We're just gonna go. Wind's blowing so hard, there's crap blowing in from outside. Probably gonna have stuff in my glue. I don't know that I even care anymore. Okay, so I don't even need this one. I need top, bottom. I got 4 in this one. And then the top and bottom in this one. All right. I'm gonna throw that to the side. You know what though? I am gonna have everything prepped because I don't want the glue to dry. And by prepped, I mean put another clip in. All right. Now, I'm just gonna start putting glue on all of it. All right. It doesn't even really matter that I got glue all over my stupid hands. I gotta get this up here because the wind's blowing so stinking hard. Y'all really have no idea, guys, how hard the wind's blowing. Probably like 30, wind's probably blowing somewhere between 15 mile an hour and 20 mile an hour straight and 45 to 50 mile an hour gust. It's kind of ridiculous. Redonkulado. All right, here we go. Get a little bit of these glue boogers off me. And then I'm gonna start nailing, well, stapling. Yuck. There, yeah. Enough. All right, guys, so I just found this piece in the bone pile. It's about, a 1/4 inch shorter than what it really needs to be, but what do I say? It's my camper, I don't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it off. All right, glue time. All right, guys, so I meant to do an unboxing on this, but I bought from Harbor Freight the cheapest, the absolute cheapest trim router. 35 bucks with tax, I think. Oh my goodness. But that's what I did this hole right here with it. So who knows? We'll see. It might keep on, it may just die. But I'm fixing to do a little trimming right here and then we'll put our face on. So far, I do need to put some wax on it or something, man. Okay. Let's see, I'm just gonna put that down in there. I didn't want to make a big mess just yet. I want to start out and get it all covered and then we'll route it all and make a big mess. All right, guys, can you tell why I decided not to paint my walls? Because I'm marking all over them. I'm writing notes on them and other crap like that. That's the reason I didn't paint them. I knew I was going to end up marking on them, so. All right. What was this again? 20 1/4 or so. All right. Re-prep, glue, and go. All right. You know what? It's time for the reveal. It's time to route this crap out. So I'm fixing to start and we'll see how our Harbor Freight POS does and we'll just continue on. I'm gonna speed this up and I'll get back with you whenever I'm done. I've got so much glue on me, it's just ridiculous. This reminds me of when I was a kid. You'd make that, skin out of glue. Yuck. Here we go. Not too bad so far. And the motor's not getting hot or anything. Well, it's getting a little warm, but not horrible. Well, let's continue on. All right. It got a little warm on the bottom. But you know what? I kind of pushed it. I probably shouldn't have because, I'll live an hour and a half from where I can get another one of these. And I hit a nail that I didn't set and oh well. It's actually working pretty good. I'll keep y'all updated. And after it's completely done and we're done, if this thing lasts the entire build, I'm probably going to do a full review on it because, I'm actually kind of impressed. Harbor Freight. I always say, if you buy something, buy it cheap the first time. If you break it, if you use it until it's dead, buy something a little more expensive because you know you're going to use it up. I don't know where my trim router is. Have no idea. It's kind of like a couple of my guns and some other stuff, and I don't know, but it's all right. My Hitachi is somewhere around here. It's a very expensive one, but this one is not, and it's doing the job. All right, guys, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna clean up, and as Oregon Batman says, clean up before you start the next one so that you're not fighting your mess. If you like this, I'll tell you what, guys, just, I don't know, I bet it's gonna be somewhere around here. Subscribe and like this channel. If you wanna see the rest, look over here somewhere. As I always say, it's gonna be around me somewhere. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Y'all have a good one. Night. Bye.